Hi, it's Christy with Pearl and Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to update a couple of purses. One I found at a thrift store, one I found at Cato, but it was on sale. I think I've lost the tag to it, but I think that it was $5 or $6. It didn't cost too much. So this is the first purse. I think it's supposed to be a Gucci dupe, but I love bees, and that's what attracted me to it. It was missing a few stones, so I got this gem tack from Amazon and these crystals that were about the same color from Michael's. These gem setters, I got those from Amazon as well. The gems were a little different in color, so I ended up taking out one of the gems that was on there on the bottom and using that for the middle. I tried to use the gem tack straight out of the bottle, but it was pretty free-flowing and got everywhere. So I ended up using toothpicks to get it a little more precise. Any excess that seeped out around the edges I cleaned up with the Q-tips. The gem tack does dry clear, but the stones sparkle a little better when all that excess is cleaned up. And we are on to the purse from Cato. I love this army green color, and I thought it would look great with this blue flower, but I did not like it when I got everything put together. So I looked at these two pins that I had was not feeling those. I also looked at some of these sticky gems that I had from Michael's, didn't really like that. And then I just started digging through my trim box with all of my ribbons and laces and things, and just started to find some stuff that looked really pretty all together and gave it kind of a shabby chic and boho look. I measured the first one to the size I wanted. I didn't want it too long. I don't want it curling up under the purse when I set it down. And then cut up all the pieces on the bias, and then gathered them all together and tied them around the handle. I liked this, but thought it just needed a little something extra. So I went through my button box and ended up settling on all of these really pretty gold buttons. I went through and just with a needle and some really sturdy thread, I sewed the buttons on. I used a large one for the top, and then on the ends of some of the lace and ribbons, I sewed a few smaller ones. I tried to focus on the lace and ribbons that were really lightweight so that the buttons would hold them down a little better. And here's a final look at both purses. I'm super excited to start carrying this one. I hope this helped you solve a problem or gave you some ideas to update one of your purses. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.